In this video, we are going to discuss on antidifferentiation and integration. Okay? So, antiderivatives are the opposite of derivatives. An antiderivative is a function that reverses what the derivative does. Okay, so let's say we have the function f of x is equal to x squared. Okay, if we are going to get the derivative of f, that x squared, the derivative of x squared is 2x. 2x. Now, let's say, okay, so again, the derivative of our function f. Okay, so again, this is our given function. Ang derivative ng x squared is 2x. So this is the derivative. Now, we can say that f here, this one, x squared, f, this is the antiderivative. So this is the antiderivative of 2x. Again, the function x squared, its derivative is this one, 2x. Okay, this is the derivative. Now, x squared now is the antiderivative. Okay? Now, let us say we have another given. So, kanina we have function f as x squared. What if we have another given that is g of x? Okay, g of x. G of x is equal to x squared plus 5. X squared plus 5. Now, if we are going to get the derivative of x squared plus 5, ang kanyang derivative ay 2x. 2x. So, again, this is the derivative and this is the antiderivative. Okay? Now, if you are going to observe, ang derivative ng g of x, ito, at ang derivative ng x squared, which is ito, is pareho. Both have a derivative of 2x. Okay? Ito ang yung g of x, ito ay f of x, pero ang kanilang derivative ay parehong 2x. So, ano ang implication dito? It shows now na any function kung saan ganito ang kanyang given, x squared plus a constant, okay, x squared plus a constant, lahat ng mga function na ganyan ang given, ang kanilang derivative ay 2x. So, for example, we have x squared minus 4. Still, ang kanyang derivative ay 2x din. Let's say x squared plus 100. Still, ang kanyang derivative ay 2x din. Okay, so yan ang ibig sabihin nito, na kahit ano yung c natin, yung constant natin, still, ang derivative niya ay 2x. That is why, kung magsusulat tayo ng general form ng isang antiderivative, it's always meron tayong c plus c. For example, ito. So, if the derivative is 2, then the antiderivative is 2x plus c. 2x plus c. So, may c. May plus c, where c is a constant. Let's say the derivative of the function f is cosine x. So, ang kanyang antiderivative ay sin x plus c. Sin x plus c. So, merong plus c always. So, that is the general form of antiderivative. Okay, now, what is integration? Okay, so, indefinite integrals. Okay, indefinite integrals. Integration, integrals. So, integration is the process of getting the integrals, no? The process of getting the integral of a function. So, let's say, so ganito ang itsura ng ating indefinite integrals. Okay, ganyan ang itsura niya. So, this is the symbol. That symbol is called integral sign. At ito naman, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay indefinite integral of f prime or the derivative function. Okay? So, kung kukunin natin yung integral ng function, ng derivative function, the answer will always be like this. The antiderivative function plus c. Plus c. So, dapat may plus c lagi. Okay, here are some theorems rather. Ito yung mga rules na gagamitin natin to do the integration. So, the first one is the integral of derivative of x. The integral of derivative of x. Actually, the derivative of the function, the integral of the derivative function with respect to x. Ganito naman yung formal way of reading this one. So, actually, meron to siyang 1. Okay, meron yan siyang 1. Pero hindi lang talaga in-emphasize yan, but actually may 1 yan siya. So, kapag ganun daw yung given, no, pwedeng may 1, pwede wala. So, kapag ganun daw yung given na integration, so, the answer is always x plus c. X plus c. So, just like this one, so let's say 1, the integral of 1 dx is equal to 1x plus c. Pwede rin naman ibang number, let's say 4 dx. So, our answer is 4x plus c. So, actually, any constant. So, let's say 9 dx. So, that is equivalent to 9x plus c. Okay? Next naman, okay, ang given natin sa, okay, the integral of x raised to the nth power dx. Okay, ito yung given natin. So, kapag yung ganito yung given, our answer should be in this way, provided yung n natin is not equal to negative 1. Or else, kung negative 1 ang n natin, this will be 0. And the entire expression will be undefined. Okay? So, take note of that. So, again, kapag ganito ang given, kapag ganyan ang given, we will simply add, kung kanina sa derivative, yung exponent, sinasubtract natin by 1, this time, we are adding 1. Okay? We are adding 1. So, plus 1. So, x raised to n plus 1 all over n plus 1. Okay, then plus c. Okay, for example, ayan, so let's say we will get the integral of x squared dx. X squared dx. So, the answer is, so again, yung exponent natin, we will add 1. Okay, and then sa baba, this one, whatever yung nandito, yun ang ilalagay din natin dito sa baba. So, that is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. N plus c. Then, let us simplify it. So, x cubed all over 3 plus c. So, that is our answer for this integration. Okay, so another theorem. So the integral of this given function here, so we have a fx dx. Okay, where a is a constant. So constant yung a natin dito. So naiwan sa loob ng integral sign is f of x dx. Okay, so for example, ito ang ating given. Okay, the integral of 3x dx. So, yung 3 na constant ay ilalabas natin sa integral sign. So, nasa labas na ang 3 at naiwan sa loob ang x dx. X dx. So, yung constant, ganun pa rin siya, 3. And then, whatever the answer in this integral, okay, imumultiply natin sa 3. Okay? So, this is the integral of x dx. So, we will add, since alam natin na this is 1, so we will add 1 plus 1. Kaya siya naging 2. Then, of course, sa baba, it's 1 plus 1. Kaya siya naging 2. And so, this is our answer. Okay, what if naman kapag may negative sign tayo sa loob ng integral sign? No, for example, ito. So, we will just simply put the negative sign outside of the integral sign. Okay, so ang meron na lang sa loob is yung f of x dx. So, for example, ito ang given natin. So, the integral of negative 2x dx. So, yung 2, yung negative 2, nilabas natin. So, ito na. Kasi nga, 2 is a constant. Gaya dito, nilabas natin yung constant. At saka yung negative sign, nilabas natin sa labas ng integral sign. Kaya, ang naiwan na lang sa loob is ang x dx. Then, after that, to get the integration of this one, so ito yun. Okay, so x squared over 2. So this is our answer. Okay, what if naman ang nasa loob ng integral sign natin is dalawang function, kagaya nito. Okay, dalawa yung function natin. We have the 5x and the 3. 5x and the 3. Dalawang function yan, they are separated by the plus sign. Okay, they are separated by the plus sign. So, ang gagawin natin, iwalay natin. So, we will integrate 5x dx and then we will also integrate 3 dx. Okay? Now, again, we're going to use yung kaninang mga theorems, which is kapag may constant tayo, ilalabas natin ang constant sa labas ng integral sign. Kaya nandito ng 5 sa labas at naiwan na lang ang x dx sa loob. And then more so ito, 3, ilalabas natin 3. So naiwan na lang ang dx. But then again, meron tong 1. Alam natin may 1 yan. Okay? So, then we're going to use or to apply the other theorems kung saan yung exponent ng x, i-add natin by 1. So, there you go. We have x squared all over 2. Then, of course, this one, this is equivalent to 3x. And, of course, don't forget the plus c. Don't forget the plus c. Okay, so here's another example. So, more example ito. So, what if ang given function natin dito is 1 over x squared dx. 1 over x squared dx. Now, doon sa binigay ng mga theorems, wala doong directly sinasabi sa atin kung paano natin isosolve kapag ang given function sa loob ng integral sign is in this form, no? It's in this form. Like a fraction, no? Walang sinabi doon kung paano natin gagawin. So, we have to rewrite it in another form kung saan pwede natin gamitin yung mga previous theorem. So, 1 over x squared, i-rewrite natin yan, and we will rewrite it in this way. So, x raised to negative 2 dx. Okay, then after that, we will integrate it. So, we will integrate it. So, we are going to simply add 1 sa exponent natin, and then dito sa baba, again, sabi ko nga, kung ano yung nasa exponent, yun din ang ilalagay sa baba. So, negative 2 plus 1. And then, don't forget the c plus c. Ayan. So, this is our answer. sinimplify natin. So, x raised to negative 1 over negative 1. Pero pwede pa natin yan isimplify. So, ito ang ating final answer. Yan ang ating final answer. Okay, next example. So, again, ito. Again, sa ating previous theorems, walang directly sinabi kung paano natin isosolve. Kung ang given function sa loob ng integral sign is an irrational function, irrational. So, let us rewrite this one in this way. Okay, pwede natin gawin yan. And then again, gagamitin natin yung isang theorem kung saan mag-a-add tayo ng 1 sa ating exponent. Ayan. And then, eventually, ang ating final answer is this one. So, we'll just have to follow the rules. Okay.